Noise, India's leading smartwatch and connected lifestyle brand, launched the elite edition of its best-selling smartwatch, the Noise ColorFit Icon 2. This exclusive edition features a sleek metallic finish and two premium strap options, Elite Black and Elite Silver. The Noise ColorFit Icon 2 Elite Edition is packed with features that make it a perfect companion for both work and play. It features a 1.8-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 368*448 pixels and a pixel density of 326 ppi, resulting in sharp and clear visuals. The always-on display is a convenient feature that allows you to check the time and other important information at a glance. The smartwatch also incorporates an AI voice assistant that seamlessly connects with your smartphone's assistant, ensuring compatibility with Siri and Google. This makes it easy to control your devices and access information hands-free.
For more information visit www.mobilityindia.com.